and welcome back to the channel. So with this video, it is a bonus one, so it's not quite Christmas yet when this will go up, but it will be fantastic for Christmas Eve. You can just hang around with your kids, your family. All you have to do is get it prepared, get it all nice and done. You don't have to worry about it for a couple of hours, and it tastes fantastic. So this one is going to be a slow cooker hot chocolate, and I assure you it tastes absolutely amazing. So stick around, follow, and let me know how it goes. So for this recipe we are going to be doing a slow cooker hot chocolate. So first thing we're going to start out with is some double cream, heavy whipping cream, whatever you call it wherever you are. I have set my slow cooker to low, so make sure it is on the low setting. So this is just 300 mils or half a pint of double cream, heavy whipping cream, as I said before, whatever it is where you are. So the next thing you're going to add is 1 litre of milk, so that's 1000 millilitres of milk in there. Next thing we're going to add is 200 grams of dark chocolate. So I've just gone with a cheap supermarket brand. So I'm just going to get those all tipped in. I have broke it into little cubes before I put it in. It'll just make it a lot easier to melt once it doesn't go everywhere. Next thing we're going to add is 100 grams of milk chocolate. Same again, I have just used supermarket brand, but you can use Dairy chocolate. So that is everything we add in for now. So what we need to do is just get the lid popped on. This will be on low for 2 hours, stir an hour in, and I'll come back to you once that's a bit more combined. So this has been in here about 2.5 hours. I kept stirring every half an hour just to make sure the chocolate had blended in. I give it a stir with the whisk. So I'm just going to need a ladle when I find it. So grab whatever tool you can find. Just be careful pouring it in because it's extremely hot. You just want to leave a gap at the top just so we can put our marshmallows and our cream in. So this will serve quite a few people depending on how big your mugs are. So these are quite big mugs. This is probably going to do another serving. Well, another serving for both of us, so probably looking 4 to 8 mugs, depending on the size of your mugs. So just do a little bit more in that. Close that. So next thing we're going to do is add our marshmallows. So I tend to do a few marshmallows before and after the cream. Just kind of gives it that fluffyish texture. When I manage to open the bag, just add a few in there. Oh. Then a few in there. Then get our whipped cream. You can use fresh cream for this, but the supermarket I went to didn't have any other than the one that I added. So I'm just going to do whipped cream. Not coming out the can very well. There we go. That's one. And that's 2. So last but not least, what we're going to do is just add some grated chocolate on top. If you don't have any spare chocolate, then that's completely fine. Just going to add that on. Whoop. Put that there. Just going to add that on because I've got spare. And there you guys have it. That is the slow cooker hot chocolate. So if you like this one, guys, go like, comment, subscribe. I'll see all you lovely people in the next episode. See you later.